How to register to start FamiSafe. Wondershare FamiSafe is an account-based product. There are 3 options to create an account. Option 1. Create Wondershare ID. Install FamiSafe from App Store, Google Play. Sign up with your email to create a Wondershare ID. Option 2. Sign up on website. Go to FamiSafeWondershare.com. Click Try it now to sign up. Option 3. Third-party login. Login with third party including Facebook, Apple ID or a Google account. You can enjoy a 3-day free trial for full functionality after installation and login. For better performance, you will need to purchase a subscription after 3 days.